Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tostitos salsa. First, gather your fresh ingredients for the best flavor. We'll combine ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, and zesty spices to create a delicious dip. This homemade version offers a fresh taste that rivals store-bought options, perfect for any occasion. You'll be surprised how simple it is to achieve that authentic, chunky texture and balanced flavor profile at home. For our Tostitos-style salsa, you'll need a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, which forms the perfect base. Next, grab one small onion, finely minced, and one jalapeno pepper, seeded and diced, for a mild kick. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro to brighten the flavors. A half teaspoon of salt will enhance all these wonderful ingredients, bringing everything together beautifully. Now for the easy part. Combine all your prepared ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Gently stir the diced tomatoes, minced onion, jalapeno, cilantro, lime juice, and salt until everything is well combined. For the best flavor, allow the salsa to meld by refrigerating it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time helps the flavors deepen, giving you a more authentic and delicious Tostitos-style experience. Serve your freshly made salsa with your favorite crunchy tortilla chips for an unbeatable snack. For optimal freshness, store any leftover salsa in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay delicious for up to 1 week. Always use a clean spoon to prevent contamination and maintain quality. And for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.